In this video, let's see another IIT JEE previous year question that was asked in the year 1984 and it was of 2 marks. The question did not have any options. It was basically a subjective question and it was a fill in the blank question. You were supposed to solve and then write in the space provided. So let's see what the question has to say and let's get started with this subjective question. Let's read the question together. The numerical value of tan inverse 1 by 5 minus pi by 4 is what? There are no options, so we'll have to solve it. Let's see how to get started with the solution. I'll put the heading as solution. I know some formulas related to tan. Outside is tan. Let's not disturb what is written outside, so it will be tan only. Inside is 2 tan inverse 1 upon 5. So 2 tan inverse theta is what? Tan inverse 2 theta upon 1 minus theta square. This we know. So that is what we'll be using. The bracket does not change. It is tan inverse 2 theta upon 1 minus theta square. So that means upon 1 minus theta square. What is the square of 1 by 5? It is 1 by 25. So I have just written the square itself. Things which are in the bracket which have comprising of numerator and denominator, let's enclose it in a bracket. Minus pi by 4 does not change. Just put the value there and then. Close the bracket. Now, what is left? We need to solve first this bracket. So, it is 2 upon 5 and here it becomes 24 upon 25 by finding the LCM. So, let's write it. Outside tan, then it is tan inverse. It is 2 upon 5 and in the denominator is the LCM taken. So, it is 24 upon 25. Minus pi by 4 again I am saying does not change. So, don't change it. Now, what is left is, it is basically 2 upon 5 and here also. So, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 and here 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. So, it is what? It is tan inverse 1 upon 12 upon 5. So, that 5 goes upwards. It basically becomes 5 upon 12 minus pi by 4 does not change. Now, if some of you are thinking that we can nullify tan and tan inverse, do not do that. That will be a blunder. Why? Because then we will be left with one numerical value and the other value in pi, that is in radians. So, you cannot then solve it. So, a better choice of further solution would be, you consider this first term as A, you consider this second term as B and then you apply the formula of tan A minus B. What is the formula of tan A minus B? Let's write the formula. Tan A minus B is basically tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So, it is 1 plus tan A tan B. And since this is a formula, let's enclose it in a big box. So, use this formula to solve the further question. So, tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B. So, it is tan of the first term, tan A. What is A? Tan inverse 5 by 12 minus what in the next is the formula for tan B. Tan B is where? Tan and B. B is pi by 4. What is the value of tan pi by 4? It is 1 upon 1 plus, for the formula we have 1 plus tan A tan B. Again, what is tan A? What is tan B? Let's write the values. So, tan A and what is tan B? Tan B is tan pi by 4 which is 1. 1 multiplied by something does not change anything. So, let's keep it here and there. Now, tan inverse nullify. So, it is 5 by 12 minus 1. In the denominator also same story. Tan inverse nullify. So, it is 1 plus 5 upon 12. Now, where we were finding this thing, we had radians. And now the question is completely simplified. It is only numerical values. We can take the LCM and solve. So, 5 minus 12 upon 12. So, that is 5 minus 12 is minus 7. In the denominator, it is 12 plus 5 upon 12. So, 12 plus 5 is 17. So the answer is minus 7 upon 17 to this fill in the blank question. Let's see again what we did. We were basically given a lengthy expression and then we solved it using one formula of tan inverse 2 theta or 2 tan inverse theta, which is tan inverse 2 theta upon 1 minus theta square. Solved it, cancel few values, came at this important step. This step is very important in this question. Few people would nullify tan and tan inverse, which should not be done because we have pi by 4, which is a radian value. And then we have the formula of tan A minus B. The formula is written over here. The solution is written over here. So the answer to this question is minus 7 upon 17 to this fill in the blank question, which was asked in the year 1984 for 2 marks.